Hey, Year 6. So you've come to the end of week 2, and it's now time to reflect on what you've done. So, as I said in the journal video, I'm going to explain now quickly just how to fill in this reflection form. Now, as you can see on the left-hand side, all of the reflection forms for every week look the same. The only thing that changes is the skills. So these are the things that we've been focusing on during the week, and the teachers have already put these in because we want you to have a think about these things when you're filling in some of the tasks that you have done, some things that you've done well, some things that you're going to try and develop, and also how you're feeling on a scale of 1 to 10. So on the next slide, you will see this explanation slide. So I've tried to put in as much detail as I can about what you need to include in every box, and I'll quickly talk that through now. So the purple boxes are some of the easiest boxes you can fill in. You just need to think of 3 tasks you have done for exhibition this week and just describe those in each box. I would like 2 sentences per box, please. I want a detailed description of what you have done. So try and think of 3 things you have done this week. And one of those things will definitely be to do with the arts, because those are the skills outlined in your blue boxes this week. Now, the green and yellow boxes are kind of honesty boxes. Those are boxes that you have to really think about yourself and think about things that you've done really well. And those things are going to go in the green box. And I want you to try and write at least 4 sentences. So I want you to try and explain why you think you've done those things well and what those things are. And then in the yellow box, this is one of the trickiest boxes because we have to be brutally honest with ourselves and think, okay, what did I not do well this week? And what could I do better next week? And you just need to write 2 sentences in this box. On the scale of 1 to 10, you need to highlight where you are in your feeling, in your well-being around exhibition. Are you a 2 or a 3, so you're still feeling a little bit of stress and you need a little bit of extra support next week? Or are you up here in the 8, 9s and 10s and you think you're doing a great job and actually you could be used to help somebody else? This orange box can be left blank this week. Eventually, from week 4, this is where your mentor is going to write you a comment. Okay, so you don't need to write in the orange box. Your mentor will be filling that in for you. Okay, so I now want you to click on to this slide, and I want you to start thinking very carefully about everything you've done this week, the positives, the things that you're going to develop, and how you're actually feeling about things. If you have any further questions about your reflections, you can ask your teacher. Thank you. Bye.